Today I'll show you Asakusa and Yukata bune. First thing in the morning, we went to a Yukata rental shop and got dressed. Everything is included like dressing and accessories, so just need to go. He has enjoyed it.
Should we going in the tower? No.
In?
Tower, yeah. No.
No.
And had fun with the president of Sushi Zanmai. Arriving at Sensoji, even on weekdays it's so crowded. We came to Asakusa Yokocho for lunch.縁日をイメージして作られており、浴衣観光にうってつけ。There are also terrace seats where you can put your feet in the water. The first one is a skewer restaurant. The chopstick packets were fortune slips. The second is Monjayaki restaurant. お店の人が焼いてくれました。なんだその嫌そうな顔。浴衣を返却し、かっぱ橋へ。I only bought one heavy spoon. Before leaving, stop by Nishi-Sando. Walk through the cool alley to the station. Then came to Ryogoku Station to board a Yukata bune. There are legendary small restaurants on display. Hakkiyoi Sekitori-kun manhole 発見 arrived at the dock. While we waited, various boats passed by. The boat has arrived. 見ているだけでもワクつく食事。I was really pounding about my first Yukata bune experience. There were like about 50 passengers on board, I guess. Kaigoの景色を撮りたいのに邪魔してくる。船が進んでいる間にもどんどん揚げたての天ぷらが運ばれてきました。The boat will stop at several points, so you can go up to the deck and enjoy the night view. They told us that we could see Tokyo Tower as well. We may pass by other boats. This time, we stopped right in front of the Skytree. I took a nice video of the moment the trains crossed on the bridge. Finally, we ate mochi dessert and the 2.5 hour cruise came to an end. I didn't notice earlier, but there were decorations like this where I got off the boat. It's like typical of Ryogoku. And we came back to Asakusa where our hotel was, took a walk, and went back to the hotel and then slept. Minna 大好きドン・キホーテ